You are guaranteed going to lose all of your money in the financial markets unless you do exactly what we say. No, seriously. Every strategy you think you have or are trying right now, every market variable or unique structure you've thought of to profit from the markets, every single indicator and tiny discrepancy or change in rules you've created to go up against the markets on a daily basis is going to fail, and you are going to lose all of your money 100% guaranteed. This is the only thing that's guaranteed in the markets, and then you're going to think about me telling you this when you've lost all of your money in your account, again and again and again. Then you're going to try a different strategy or set of rules, thinking you've stumbled upon something new, not realizing you're going to lose it all over again. Because everything you think you know, we have already tried it all and then some, and none of it works, and none of it will ever work. You need to understand this because the size of your ego is the only thing that determines how many years or months or weeks it takes you to stop everything you think you're doing and listen to me instead. We're so sure of you losing that we don't even charge for our services because we know that you and every single other trader like you in the entire world is going to lose and come back to us humbled and with your soul crushed, ready to learn and do what actually works. Because what actually works has nothing to do with the markets at all. And you are going to quickly realize how wrong you are only when you can empty your mind of everything you thought you knew. You have been asking the wrong questions, and therefore you've been getting the wrong answers. You've been challenging and battling the markets with chart indicators and strategies and other bias gizmos that produce 50-50 results like gambling or worse, and then you're wondering where your day went, along with your money that you will or already have lost. You're like a person trying to play golf with a soccer ball. You don't even realize your tools and parameters are all wrong, so it is statistically impossible for you to profit long-term and run a successful trading business. We have tried every single thing you can possibly imagine in the markets on over 50 years of live market data, second by second, candle by candle, using forward market testers that would let us replay the entire market data set as if it were happening in real time. So we quite literally have over 50 plus years worth of market data experience trading, live in the markets, candle by candle, and know exactly what's going to happen. And what's going to happen is that you are going to lose all of your money. Think about it like this. The market data is moving at random every second based on people inputting orders or taking them out of the markets, and therefore it's moving at random. You can replace this market movement of orders going in and out for anything like the number of steps you took today, the amount of orders of some business, the revenue of a company over time, and so on. The line printing would look exactly the same as it does now, going up and down at random. Therefore, whatever bias, statistical layers such as indicators or rules or strategies you put on these lines will therefore inevitably be random, just like the lines printing up and down, because you are just overlaying drawings on a randomly moving picture. Get it? The patterns you think you see do not actually exist because the human mind loves to make patterns out of things to help it make sense of it. But in the markets, they are literally just lines moving up and down at random. So you are literally just drawing more random lines onto random lines, and therefore you're getting random results. What worked today or this week or this month will not work next month or next year. And this is why everyone loses all of their money. The market is just lines moving up and down at the rate of 50-50, like a random coin flip, and you are delusionally connecting that to external patterns you think you see and thinking they will repeat forever, even though you have not tested all of the market data to see that it's completely random. The market does not know that you are betting or placing money inside of it or trying to extract gains from it. It's just moving up and down like random lines. Banks and financial system is the one giving you your payment on the basis of betting correctly on those lines, but they are still in fact happening at random. Get it? You are an external variable to the market's movement, so you could quite literally bet on any lines moving up and down if they had the financial backing of the markets to be able to pay you what you are owed for that profitable position. And this is why you will keep losing all of your money over and over and over again. And we can guarantee this with confidence as we've watched thousands of traders suffer over the past decade, losing nonstop, especially the ones who think they have it all figured out only to come back to us to learn what not to do so they can actually grow long-term. Since the markets are 50-50, and now you hopefully understand that entirely, you will also realize what you're doing right now won't work at all, and it never will. Add in those fees you're paying per trade, and your edge of flipping a coin has reduced to as low as 2080, and you are guaranteed going to lose even faster. Does this make sense to you now? So stop doing what you're doing and join us to execute a system that will actually yield long-term results and design your future infrastructure in such a way that it is foolproof and cannot fail. We are the only system on the internet that has done this hard work for you to realize that you and everyone you know will fail and continue failing in the financial markets. And this is our call to you to stop what you're doing and implement our strategy and systems to do what works. Now, our systems are integrated in such a way that anyone can duplicate them into their existing business model and begin scaling right away. We have the team and support ready at your service to duplicate it into your existing business model to begin scaling right away and doing what actually works for long-term growth. Forget everything you think you know and get started with us now.